Let's go. Let's go. So let's go walk, finish. Yeah, go and walk, finish, collect, and go. Walk, finish, turn your shoulders, hip, then like collect, and from here already start. Bring that foot to the highest point you could possibly be, right? With a little bit settlement here. And go walk, finish, rotate your back thigh, squeeze my hand between your legs slightly. Very good. Now keep this foot here. Turn your shoulders to me. That's how any rotation happens. Hip, then leg, then and step, finish, collect, and step, finish, collect. Now, what is the net? So this is your personal dancing, right? Here. And you can see roll your foot more here. You see how? Very good. Already better. Very good. Tummy in, chest up. So the next thing is we always want to have something going on between us. So this is called connection. So you're always going to be pushing away from me. Right. This hand. Yeah. You're always pushing away from me. Walk. Now keep connection with me. Yeah. You see you didn't straight your leg. Walk straight. Straight. Then you're going to maneuver your weight over that foot.
Okay, so my body doesn't go over until I finish?
It goes split weight. Whom. Go halfway. Right. And then from here, you're maneuvering your weight forward to finish your weight. But over the straight leg, if you can. Very good. Squeeze my hand between your legs. Very good. Turn your shoulders, hip, then leg. And a little bit settle. Go walk. Finish your back foot, collect. Now go 3 walks. Walk and a walk, walk, collect, and walk and a walk, walk, collect, and walk, walk, and excellent. So next let's establish connection between us. Yes, stay like this. Tummy and chest up, yeah, knee straight. Feel that electricity between us. Yeah, very good. Yeah. Come on. Always together. Warm. Always together. Very good. Very good. Collect. Go back. Quick. 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 Quick and slow. And connect. Quick. Quick. Slow. Quick. Quick and slow. That's right. Small choreography. Okay. And quick. Yeah. Every time you go back, you want to have a foot go into neutral position. Then you go back. So you want to kiss your feet, touch your feet here, then go back.
You just talked about my feet?
Yeah, I talk about your feet because you from here you went. So you want to get here, then there. Yeah. And quick, quick and forward. Slow, finish, and. And here we go. And quick and slow and quick and side step. Slow, side to side. Now, this is how to have any position. This heel is up, this heel is down, tummy in, chest up, knees back, right. And then from here, you're going to do this. You will close your feet in this manner with the very, very high nails, high toes here. Very good. Feet together, and you're going to arch. Arch. Yes. You put your hands here. Whoa. And you're going to have like a second to get there. So from here, you get whoom, there. From here, whoom. Yes. And your hands will go on my legs, squeezing me. There. Yes. And then from here, I'm going to lift you up, or you can go yourself up, you down, and you'll do one hip, 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 with keeping your feet as tight as possible. Go. Cheeky, 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 and stay. You see, it's very important when you do anything, it's the way how you close your feet, how tight. It's very important how tight is your feet as you do anything. Let's say if you sit in this position, Of course, you want to arch. Of course, you want to have some design of the body, but the tightness of the feet, that's what the most important. And you can have your feet this way as when we move, but when we're closing feet, we want to be a little bit tighter this way, right? Also, when we stand up, the feet are very tight. Very good. Very good. So let's do it as a small choreography. Yeah, connect to me. Go. And quick, slow, and quick, and slow, and quick, and slow. And now your hands fast, and you go down. Yeah, close the feet. Yeah. So it's not how low you go, it's how tight your feet are. So it's like, imagine you catch a fly between your thighs and your feet. Right. Yeah, they're slightly in front, like for more, slightly like here. In front means here. This bones. You see where you have net of your shoe? Your net to net, you connect them together. Yeah, and here, bend to knees. Right. And with a strong arching feel this way. That'll be great. Then you stand up. And you see, and you, here we want to do like a hug. So you do like a hug. Cheeky, 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 cheeky. And I will do it for you. You don't want to lose your beautiful posture. So you don't want to bend, curving your back. That's not allowed. So you want to keep your chest, tummy in. Always three things. Tummy in, chest forward and up, and knee pushing back. This always this. And all you're going to do, you will try to hug yourself, and I will resist you. So move, move. You see, I'm resisting you. Resist, and your hands coming to the little bit hug. Now, but keep your feet tight. You see, you lost here. Very good. Now from here, connect your hand to me. Go 2 walks and pivot. Walk, walk, pivot, and stay with me. Connected. Connection is the key. What is connection? It's we are both moving in opposite direction. You're always giving to me. What do you give? Tummy in. You give him your hip weight, your spine weight, and from here together we're stepping back. 4-1, and arm go here, right, and stay connected. Very good. Very simple. And chick and forward, and quick and forward, and quick and forward. Go down, 2, go up, 3, with the hips forward. Excellent. 2, 3, 4, and stand up, fully stand up, right. And you go walks. Quick and forward. Stay connected to me. Yeah, short connection, a little bit shorter, and right, stay connected. Very good. Stretch your hand all the way up. Great. Now arm over your head. This is a little bit arm style. 2 and 3 and forward. And now we're gonna go in something is called fan position. So you go forward, pivot. Now you go back and you will stop there. Just back and stop. Very good. And you're gonna send your arm this way. Yes. Point your foot. So ideally your foot is on ball of the foot here, connected. This way. Yeah, turn out. Very good. Yeah, turn out. Yeah, point your foot. Straight legs. Yeah, straight. Yes, very good. Yeah, and you stay connected to me here. Boom. Yeah. There. Very good.